Nadu Electronic Hardware Manufacturing Policy of 2020 was launched by our Honorable Chief Minister on the 7th of this month. It is a very progressive policy, one of the most competitive in the entire country. The state aims to increase the electronics industry output to about $100 billion by 2025. We also aim to increase the exports from India to about 25% by 2025. One of the most important aims that have been specified in the policy are to establish semiconductor fabrication industry in Tamil Nadu. It also aims to improve the skill level of about 1 lakh people by 2024 to meet the incremental human resource requirement for the ESDM sector. We aim to provide a very high level of value addition in areas such as mobile handsets, LED products, fabless chip design, PCBs, medical electronics and automotive electronics. The most salient features of the electronic hardware manufacturing policy include a 30% capital subsidy, a subsidy on the land lease cost, which goes up to about 50% on the cost of land in industrially backward districts, and also private lands. The government has also provided for interest subvention for about 5% and a stamp duty exemption from 50 to 100% by ESDM units. There is also a training subsidy of about 4,000 rupees per employee for every male employee and for about 6,000 rupees per female employee to enable and encourage employment of women workers in the sector. There are provisions for electricity tax exemption, a 50% subsidy on patent applications for about 50 lakhs per company, and for quality certifications as well. Policy also provides environment protection infrastructure subsidy and other incentives as per the Industrial Policy 2014. The government will also provide a skill training center in every EMC cluster, promote industrial housing for new and existing ESDMs, and support startups through innovation grants, startup grants and seed capital through Entrepreneurial Development Institute. The state government through guidance will also pursue twin city agreements and through other agencies, university and industry collaboration in R&D, common facility centers, electronic testing centers. A task force will also be established to promote the fab industry, and a special package of incentives will be provided to industries in this sector. Come join us on this wonderful journey as Tamil Nadu moves up the value chain in electronics hardware manufacturing sector. Join the stalwarts who are already present in Tamil Nadu, including Samsung, Flex, Foxconn, BYD, Salcom, Dell and many others who have made Tamil Nadu their home.